Kunyihio gwa kigina kia mahuthiro thiini wa sekta ya githomo mendekithini ma budget ya mwaka wa kigina wa 2025-2026 ni undu utumurite urugari anyititemi sekta-ini no makiuga ikinya riri ria ya kuhotomia ikero cia mathomo guku bururi-ini. Sekta ya githomo inyihiirio muigana wa ciringi mbeirioni 63 na kuringana na ministry ya githomo imwe cia tabarira iria ihutitio ni kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo, ukinyaniria wa mihango ya igeranio, tabarira ya irio mathukuru-ini na uthurimi wa wagiriru wa ikero cia mathomo hamwe na ingi.
For all funding for examination invigilation and management almost certainly means that parents will be required to meet the costs. The estimates indicate massive cuts for the school feeding program, capitation for primary and junior secondary schools, and the Teacher Service Commission.
Kuringana na kiama kia arutani a thukuru cia secondary KUPPET, ikinya riri ni ria kuhotomia ikero cia mathomo bururi-ini.
The effect of these cuts is that the Ministry of Education Quality Assurance Department will not at all do anything to assure our quality, and that means that it is all dead. This is despite the department's centrality to the maintenance of standards of all levels of education.
Kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TAC onayo iri ithabu-ini ria honge iria inyihiirio kigina imwe cia tabarira iria cironeka kuhorokera ari kwandika wira arutani 20,000 aria makoretwo magithomithia thiini wa gikero kia interns.
The commission has also not been provided any funding for the employment of another 20,000 teachers for the January 2026 as promised by the President during this year's Labor Day.
Kiama gia KUPPET riu kiuritie bunge ndikanahitukie mendekithia maya gikiuga tabarira nyingi ikoretwo irugamite kumana na wagi wa kigina na uguo maundu maya kwihiriria makiria angikorwo mendekithia maya ni makahitukio.
We are calling upon Parliament not to accept these cuts in education, because if they do so, it means that every aspect of our quality, every aspect of enjoyment of right is going to be affected.
KUPPET power!
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, tietagwo Ngina wa Waduro.